For many small and medium businesses in Australia, the sudden switch to remote working looks like it's here to stay. But how do you choose the right platform and technology that not only offers performance and security for the business, but also allows your workers to collaborate and stay productive? One of the best ways is to have a look at what other businesses are doing and how these setups are working in people's homes out in the real world. Hi, I'm Marc from HP. Here today to show you how my friend Belinda is using the latest technology to create a secure and productive workspace for her growing business. So let's take a look. As you can see, Belinda's home is a stylish inner city space, but almost all remote workers need to create a fully functioning workplace in a fairly limited physical space. So for the heart of this setup, Belinda's company has gone with the new Probook X360-435 from the new HP 400 series. With its lightweight 360-degree form factor, it takes versatility to the next level with the ability to use it as a traditional laptop or in tablet mode. The things I really like about the Probook X360-435 is the optional world-facing camera, perfect for taking photos and videos in tablet mode, and the HP Pro Pen, which lets you naturally annotate, draw, and take notes on screen. It feels just like a real pen. Productivity, collaboration, security. Those are the three things that any remote work setup has to get right, straight out of the box. And that's why they've chosen the HP Probook X360-435. The HP Probook 400 series comes with the option for Intel or AMD with a 13, 14 or 15-inch display. Whichever option you choose, having a secure PC is absolutely crucial. We've seen a huge spike in all sorts of malicious attacks, phishing schemes, so a PC decision is a security decision. With the Probook range, as soon as you power on, you can see you are already being protected with HP Sure Start. This is security even before you get into the OS. Once you are in Windows, HP has even more security. But the two features I like are HP Sure Sense and HP Sure Click. HP Sure Sense uses deep learning AI to provide exceptional protection against advanced and zero-day malware. And thanks to the hardware-enforced security, HP Sure Click protects from malicious websites and attachments that contain embedded malware, ransomware, or viruses. Belinda's company has also selected HP Pro Security, which gives them additional security options and support with HP Sure Sense and Sure Click Pro, which is perfect for their business needs. They've also decided to run Microsoft Windows 10 Professional and Office 365, which brings not just greater productivity, but another layer of security to protect against identity and credential attacks. Let's look at how her setup around the desk performs for ergonomics and collaboration. Well, I think she's absolutely nailed it with this setup. She's got the combination of the HP S430C curved screen, collaborative keyboard and presenter mouse, and the Thunderbolt Dock G2. The S430C gives her a really wide viewing space, with plenty of real estate for multiple windows and applications, allowing her to have her entire workflow on one display. Plus, the brilliant built-in camera allows for easy video conferencing via Microsoft Teams. One of the best things Belinda has in this setup is also the smallest. The HP Thunderbolt Dock G2 with the optional integrated audio. It connects everything to the PC with a single cable. It really helps you maintain good ergonomics while keeping everything connected. The only thing I could suggest for Belinda is a nice ergonomic chair with proper lumbar and neck support. I want to thank Belinda for letting us take a look at her sleek apartment setup today. If you've got questions, suggestions, or ideas for a great remote work setup, we'd love to see them in the comments below. Hope you can join us again when we look at the next remote work setup with HP. I'm Marc Fenson. I'll see you then.